markings down at the bottom, no big deal there. A little bit of surface cracks here. These acrylic tubs are like that. It doesn't really hurt anything, but I'll get that all fixed up. And then we have, looks like they repaired something back here at the back, I'm guessing. Or dropped something, I don't know. But I'll, oh yeah, there's surface cracks in the bottom. On this one, I matched the commode, the tub to the commode, I guess I should say, and had some surface cracks as I showed you in the before picture, and on the sides right there, took care of those also. Brought it all the way down to the bottom and recaulked it. So this will be ready to use after 5 p.m. tomorrow.